Hi all, this is me, Leia. That's kind of cool. I'm making this video twofold. First off, it's just to show everyone on Facebook what my dad's apartment looks like. And then for all you hypnosis community people, I'm going to be showing, or going outside to show just what kind of a snowstorm is going on out there. So, just a quick show around, sort of inspired by Michael and his apartment video on, I think, MySpace. My trusty little laptop right here. And then we get to go out into that. Out there, we'll have to see how long my batteries last, because it's because they don't do very well when it's cold. Whoa. Chilly. Very chilly. Okay, snow, lots of snow. Guess you can sort of see the, it's blowing a lot right now. Just go until my, that's sort of a, yeah, I probably should give you an idea for the depth. Although I guess you can see, whew, chilly. Yeah, and blowing. I hope one of those gusts arrive before my batteries die. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah, there we go. And there's my dad taking a picture of me. Okay. Oh yeah, and oh dear, my batteries are dying. Okay, 2 more seconds. That's I guess that's how much fell right there. Whew, but I'm going to step in here where it is warm. If you know what I mean. And I guess I'll just leave it on until the batteries die, because I've got the little warning sign flashing right now. Nice warm fire. Okay, boots. Got snow everywhere. Yeah, alright. Oh yeah. Oh, my dad's got a pet bunny. Hi bunny. He's a very cheeky little guy, loves running all over everything.